Hi, so in this video we are going to make some pages and blocks using Dromeas. I have my Dromeas stacks grouped right here. So drop Dromeas into the page. There are already 2 blocks and you may add as many blocks as you wish. Let's add some content to the first block. Page 1, all right. Let's copy this one. Now let's add some, let's add a link, a navigation, sort of. So go to page 2. And we are going to add this link to block 2. And a class of Navi. This is all we want. All right. So let's copy this content to the block 2. And let's make a return button. So return. And let's change the link to point to block 1. All right, that's all. So let's take a look. All right. Okay. So our content is flushed to the left. So we may add a container in this case. And this will restrict the content to a max width. And the width can be adjusted here at theme options. So let's add a margin to the top, about 50 pixels, and to the second page also, to the second block. All right, so let's take a look. All right, much better. And now let's play a little bit with the functions. Here we have scroll functions. Many are available. So this is easy in back, which is nice. 3D is enabled. You can adjust the scale. And blur and timeout and scroll speed. You need to scroll faster, and the timeout for the 3D can be adjusted as well, like so. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.